the day after the big Prime Day sale, where it still has some sales going on, but all of the good sales have kind of already ended, and now it's just all done. You're just kind of getting the leftovers remains of what's all there. Trust me, I had a few deals go right through my hands that I just could not get my hands on, like a MacBook for 500 bucks. Wow, I wish I got that. That was an amazing deal right there, and it would have been an amazing addition to my collection. But I went with everyone's favorite budget tablet at 7 inches and $30 on Amazon Prime Day right now. This thing caught my eye quickly. It honestly seems really good, but let's take a look and see what it actually comes with for your 30 bucks. Alright, so on the packaging, I did notice that it has every single little language on the back right here saying all the warnings and things that you should not do with your tablet, but I honestly think no one's going to read it. And like I did, I just skipped over it. So, in the trash it goes. Alright, so on the front you have a very glossy, very good picture of the tablet itself. On the side you have the Fire 7. And on the back you have a little quick rundown of everything in the container and what it can do for you. And on it says it has a 7-inch 1024 600 display, which is going to be very low compared to what you're getting on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A's and all those other tablets out there right now. You're running that there at a 1920 by 1200 display on the Tab A. That thing will be twice as good as what's on here. Also, with the only 8 gigs of storage in on this guy, it's not going to have a lot of space, but one thing Amazon did is that they allowed you to expand it to 256 gigabytes through a micro SD card slot. Inside, you're also not rocking that great of a processor, only a 1.3 quad core processor. It's not going to be super fast, but for what you need and on a $30 tablet, it's going to do the job. Also, you're going to have your front and rear cameras, but nothing really fancy there. It's just going to be 2 megapixels, nothing that you want to go screaming home to your family about. But still, should be able to handle like every so simple day-to-day tasks. But alright, with that top ripped off and this great boxing coming out, let's get straight to it. Got that everything coming out in one swift package. Is there anything else down in this box? Nope. Empty box. Time to put it over here. Alright, so when you first have it, looks like what you're going to get to is this. You got the tablet on the outside and the power cord nicely wrapped up in there. So let's go ahead and pull the tablet out for a second and get to that power cord and see what we're looking at. Got a little do more with the Fire tablet. It's really trying to push for you guys to get something like this. And it's even got a little pamphlet. What's it all saying in here? Nope, Amazon didn't give you any free stuff, just a bunch of ways saying, sign up for us, we want your money. Alright, so we're looking at a very compact, good power adapter right here. Plus then we're also going to be rocking the micro USB plug, which is kind of shocking to me personally because I thought, hey, maybe by 7th gen they would have gone to USB-C like every single other device out there, but it's not a bad length cord too. It's probably about 2 foot right there. But alright, let's get to the major thing right here that y'all are really looking for. The tablet itself, which actually seems to have good weight to it, which I can't complain on. Let's get it out of its protective filling, and it's got a nice little sleek back to it, which this did come in several colors, but I decided to go with black because, hey, black is simple and black does not get dirty that much. But overall, it looks like you're actually having very good build quality. Amazon, of course, is going to put their logo everywhere, but on top you are going to have the, looks like power button right here, your volume buttons right here, and look at that, guys. It's a novelty, a headphone jack. I know, it's 2018, everyone's getting rid of them. Alright, but there's also your charging up top too, right there. Didn't even see that. Everything seems to be right on top, so your hands will never have a chance of hitting anything. Right here on the side, it almost appears that that's going to be where you put your micro SD card, So that's where you're going to actually probably need to buy one of these if you ever end up using this for anything serious, because 8 gigs, it'll get filled up in 2 seconds. On the other side is just sleek, nice nothing right there. Down there is nothing as well, and, well, since we've done all that, let's see what happens when you power her on. Woo! It's talking to me now. Well, this is already taking longer, but let's see what she all has to say. Do 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 do. optimizing my system now. It says, oh, this will take approximately 10 minutes to complete. Well, let me cut on that and I'll come back to y'all. And, oh, look, 10 minutes? It's doing a lot of things. Maybe I won't be cutting. Just went to a black screen. Hey, that actually comes with a lot more battery than your average tablet comes with. Came with 70% battery if you didn't notice that. Alright, but now we're at the fun setup, so now I will cut for y'all. Alright guys, so we are on the home screen, and it is a very clean setup, but the buttons on the bottom remind me of Android 5.0 when they were just experimenting with all the new options and all that. But if you go through it, you're going to have several different tabs controlling other options of things that you have and that you could own. Like, here's all your games, and I have a feeling the Amazon App Store is very limited because when I try and use it on my phone, my Pixel, it's got about half the apps of what Google Play Store has games-wise, and yeah, they don't always run the smoothest, but nonetheless, for 30 bucks, can't really go wrong with it. So then you have all your options here where you're just going to have all your shops, you have your apps you can get, even music, and your audibles. But, well, we got music. Might as well try and play a little music and see what happens. So, looks like we're going. Alright, so the music app was giving me a little bit of an issue, but I got into Amazon Video, so let's take a look and see what we can actually sound quality of those speakers sound like. So I know that Grand Tour actually has a pretty good intro that should be able to test this thing out a little bit, but so far, not moving too fast on the speed, but very responsive touchscreen, so definitely passes there. Alright, so here we go. Moment of truth. Okay. A little tingy, but it's not a bad speaker. For 30 bucks being on a tablet like this, heck, I'll take that speaker over a lot of other speakers, trust me on that. Including this TV right behind me that I'm using as my monitor. It can depend, actually, if it's got a good speaker or not, so I actually have 2 extra speakers to actually boost it a little bit. But overall, I'm very pleased with my $30 purchase. This tablet is very swift, very good quality. Build quality feels like you can't just drop it and it'll just shatter like any Chinese knockoff or anything like that you'll get off AliExpress or something like that. But this right here seems to work very flawlessly, and when I go through it, there is absolutely no lag between pages. I'm just swiping and it is just keeping up every single 2 seconds. And the fact that it has this huge Amazon related things, I use Amazon almost on a weekly basis for things, just to buy things, shop, get prices, know what's going on out there in tech deals. This is going to make things 10 times easier, and I could not be any happier. I'm going to give this thing probably like a 4.5 out of 5 because I'm just that happy with spending $30 on a tablet that actually wants to function and will work the way you need it to. So guys, go head over to Amazon right now. You got another roughly about, I think, 16 hours, 18 hours to go get the rest of the deals on Amazon Prime Day. Go take a look. You guys will love the options. Again, thanks for watching, and I'm so glad I could help you guys out with this.